Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Affin Bank credit card. Okay, so there are two methods by which you can easily activate your credit card, that is via calling method and that is via sending a text message. Okay, so you can see on your screen you can send an SMS to 66300. You need to type like AA CTV space IC number, and you can get your IC number on the, you can say, card, or you can say you will get your IC number very easily, and your last four digits of your credit card, and you need to send this you can see the example on your screen. So you need to send the email, oh sorry, message to this number, and that's it. By using this method you can easily activate your credit card. And there is one more method, that is you can say customer service number. You can call on this number you can see on your screen. This is the number. You can call on this number. I will pronounce the number: 038230 222 and 2. Okay, or you can say 4 times 2. You need to call on this number, and once you get connected you need to tell them that you wish to activate your credit card. Then they can activate your credit card. Okay, so this is the method by which you can easily activate your Affin credit card. Hopefully this video will helpful for you. If yes, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.